Hello, sir. Very nice to meet you.
Pleasure.
So you are here for this event. So what do you think about this event?
Wonderfully organized. Actually, I haven't come across any event with this energy in Indore in my last 5-6 years of being here. So it's wonderfully organized, and actually, this whole Thai community itself, I believe, is a very high energy team. So it's creating a brilliant ecosystem of startups and MSMEs and young entrepreneurs. So wonderful, wonderful.
So you are from Patanjali, and it's have emerged a lot since years.
Ah,
Okay, now I guess every household have one or other product of Patanjali.
correct.
Okay, either a toothpaste or a soap or anything else. So
Correct.
what do you think? Like, what do you want to give a message to our entrepreneurs that are looking into this type of business?
I have only one message, which I believe one of the speaker had also spoken about, that you don't look to start something because someone else is doing and he or she is becoming successful. So don't get into it because someone else has got some success. You should look at what is the solution or the solution of what problem you are going to provide to people. If you are giving any solution to any problem, then the market is always there, and it's not only true for Indore or India, globally. Because if there are say 10 people cribbing about it, so you can be the 11th one to crib about it, or you can be the one who offers solution to those 10 people. So that's how we should look. The moment we have that kind of an approach, that's exactly what Patanjali also did. There was it's all there in our heritage. Whatever we ancient
Yeah.
times, India had been having all those solutions, but people were not working on it. And the yoga, it is a Indian thing. I mean, which originated from India, and people in US were getting it registered various asana. So I think that is where we need to see that we have brilliant ecosystem within India. We need to identify our strengths and build on that, and give solution to the problems of the people instead of cribbing about those problems.
So you are a client of Worky also. So
Yes.
how you liked our services and did you enjoy?
In last 6 years, we are in the same office, so that itself speaks of our association. And then now we are looking for a change in office, and again we are talking to Mr. Saban Ladda. So that speaks the kind of trust and confidence and the association that we are having.
Thank you so much, sir, for this conversation. I really like meeting you, and I mean, all of us are using the products of Patanjali since long, but it was the first time I got to meet you, and I really enjoyed talking to you.
Thank you, my pleasure.
Thank
God
you
bless.
so much.